Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a C by GE Sync indoor smart camera and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this hard reset for any variety of reasons. If the camera is not connecting to your devices or not responding, or it's not listening to the protocol you set for it, or any kind of other troubleshooting issues like this, a lot of it can be fixed with a hard reset, and it's very simple to do. So all we need to do is turn around to the back of the camera, and you'll see there's this little hole here below the vents. We could just go ahead, and we need like a paper clip or one of those little iPhone SIM ejector pins. And we're just going to push it in there, and we have to hold it for at least 3 seconds. Now we're just going to keep holding it until the little LED indicator light turns red. And that means that the camera has been successfully reset. And once it's successfully reset, then you can go ahead and reconnect it to whatever devices that you would like to, and you'll have to reset up any instructions or protocol or anything like that.